Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to add a new page or blank page in Google Docs, especially if you are working on your phone like here on an iPhone. It's super easy but also a bit tricky if you're not used to the mobile layout. Let's get started. First, open your Google Docs app. You can either choose an existing document or create a new one by tapping the plus button. Here, I'm opening an existing file, so I can show you exactly how it works. Now, scroll down and place your cursor at the end of the page, or wherever you want the new page to begin. This is important because the new page will be inserted right after your cursor. Next, tap the plus icon on the top toolbar. This will open up the Insert menu. From here, scroll down until you see Page Break. Okay, tap on Page Break. And just like that, a new blank page will be inserted. This is super useful if you want to separate sections, start a new chapter, or just need a clean new page. You can now continue typing or editing on your new page. If you insert a page by accident, just tap undo, the arrow on the top left, and it will be gone. And don't forget, if your document doesn't look like it has pages, you might be in print layout off mode. To see your document with real page separations, tap the three dots in the top right corner and turn on print layout. Now, you can see each page clearly, which makes it easier to check where a new page starts. Okay, and that's it. Now you know how to insert a new page in Google Docs and this situation using your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick how-tos. Thank you for watching.